Good morning and thank you for watching my YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you and explain to you the box that I finally received from SmileDirectClub.com. So I received this box about 2 months ago now, and this is part 2 of my project of redoing my smile. So basically when you receive your box you have everything in there. It comes from the liquid that you end up using into your aligners to brighten your teeth, which I'm not going to be using. I don't want to make my teeth more sensitive than they are. It comes with a box to allow you to put them in between meals, so whenever you take them out, you brush them out. I use a regular toothbrush and some light soap to make sure it gets clean for whenever I'm done eating. And it comes with a chewy. So the little chewy is basically when you put them in, you're having to adjust. You're having to adjust them because they don't fit right in at first. It gets to be a little tight. I have to say they were really tight in the beginning, but I suppose that's the way it goes. So I'm doing fine now. It comes with this little piece of plastic too, which is to remove them, but I feel like I've never actually had to use that. I can just pop them out easily with using 2 fingers on each side, and then I brush them, put them in water, and I let them soak while I'm having lunch. It comes with a file, and you'll notice maybe from time to time, week to week, they sometimes quite hurt at the very top. They're not cut enough, so using that file could be if you have to fix it up really little. But I've had to use scissors, and when you're doing so, make sure you don't cut too much off. I went off, cut a little bit of a tiny piece off. Otherwise, it was just cutting my skin inside the mouth. But so far, it's been fine. So I'm at month 3 and week 2. So here's how it comes. This is my month 4. So this is gonna be for 1 week. This is gonna be the following week of month 4. And this last one is actually to cover 2 weeks. So every month, my treatment is for 4 months only. So the last 2 weeks of each month, I have to use the same retainer 2 weeks in a row. And it's been fine. So I'm just, every time I'm done with 1 week, clean them up, put them back into the actual pocket it came in, and I move on to the following week. And this is how I was keeping up with my my weekly basically usage. I would just put the night that I started on, but in fact it's done so well that they send you an email the day before or maybe the day of and reminding you of changing your retainers. So I'm 2 months into my service, as if you would call it that way. And I feel like my teeth have moved already. It only feels pressure the very first day that I put them in. I don't need to cry, but it's just putting them in, it's painful. I feel the pressure in my teeth, but it kind of goes away after maybe the first or second day. So everything goes well after that. So like I said, I have not even 2 months left, and so far I'm very happy with it. So here's if you watch the first video, I explain how to get your kit. You can use my code. It allows you to get some discounts as well. And if you use my code as well, you'll be getting about $100 off of this kit, I believe it is. And you may not need only 4 months. You may take 6 months. I don't know, depending on the issue that you're having with your teeth. Mine is just a bit of a shift that I needed to get done. I've been meaning to do it, and seeing orthodontist was just a pain in the it was just difficult. So having to visit every week and tighten everything, it just didn't work for me. So I thought this would be the greatest. So I hope this is gonna help. I will put another video once I'm finished with my 4-month service, and I'll show you how great this looks. But so far I'm pretty happy with it. There's a little bit of a gain. It's just inconvenient in the business I do, as I'm with people all the time, at first it's kind of fun. I don't feel like I'm drooling. I don't feel like I'm speaking funny. But now I'm starting to feel like I'm speaking funny. Like you probably hear it now. So, but it's fine. It's way worth the deal. It's 4 months. I calculated, so I'm done by the end of this, maybe month of March or early April, before the summer. My teeth will be fixed by then, I hope. So anyway, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel so you can watch the other videos, you know, when I upload those. And I do all kinds of videos as well around the house. And so thank you very much for watching. Like that video down below. Thank you again. And I'll see you in about a month and a half now. Thank you so much. I'll see you later. Bye bye.